Okay, students, here I have given a question. 3 variables and truth table is given. So outputs, according to the outputs, you have to find out the min terms and max terms. Then I expect you to get standard SOP expression and simplified SOP expression, standard POS expression and simplified POS expression. No need to draw the logic circuit and no need to convert it into universal gates, because already we have discussed more questions related to that. So I expect standard SOP expression and simplified SOP expression. You have to simplify it using Kana maps. Standard POS expression and simplified POS expression, you have to simplify it using Kana maps, right? Right. Okay, we are going to have the min terms and the max terms using this truth table. Whenever the output is 1 or high voltage, we are taking min terms. So here ABC 0 0 0. So A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. Here also output 1 high voltage 0 0 1. So A bar, B bar, C. And I comes to here. Output is 1. So A, B bar, C bar. Here 1 0 1. A, B bar, C. Here output is 1. So we want to take min term 110 A, B, C bar. So these are the min term, students. By using this, we can have standard SOP expression, right? I'm taking max terms also, right? Whenever the output is 0, we can have max terms. So while we are taking max terms, if the variable got 0, then we have to take direct variable. The value of the variable is 1, we have to take the complement. Okay, but here 0, that means low voltage. So A plus B bar plus here C. Next one, here also 0, output is 0. So A plus B bar plus C bar. Okay, here output is 0. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar. That's all. Now we can write the standard SOP expressions and standard POS expression by using this. So I'm taking standard SOP expression, Y equal A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C plus A, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A, B, C bar. I'm going to write the standard POS expression, Y equal, I'll use another color, A plus B bar plus C, A plus B bar plus C bar, A bar plus B bar plus C bar, right? So these two are the standard SOP expression and standard POS expression. Even we can say canonical SOP expression and canonical POS expression, right? Even we can simplify this standard SOP expression using Boolean algebra laws. Actually, it is difficult. Sometimes we are confusing while we are simplifying using Boolean algebra laws, and sometimes we are having some problems while we are simplifying this using Boolean algebra laws. Because of that, it is very easy to go for a Kana map, and we can simplify it using a Kana map. Even POS expression, we can simplify using a Kana map, right? Okay, I'll draw a Kana map to simplify SOP expression first. We need 8 cells. Because of 3 variables, 2 to the power 3, we need 8 cells. So here A, B, C, headers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here C0, here C1. Have you sent your answers, Ilma and Duria? I didn't check it out. Have you finished?
Sir, I'm okay with post expression, but the SOP is confusing me a little bit.
Now is it okay or want to explain it again? SOP.
That part is okay. The simplify part is
Simplification, right?
problem.
Okay, I'll explain it now. What about Duria? Have you got? Yeah,
So I did some expression.
these two
This is
expressions are okay.
difficult.
These two
Yeah.
expressions are right. Okay, then okay. Then concentrate here, students. Right, I'm going to mark the SOP expression, that means min terms in this Kana map. Actually, if they give a truth table, if they gave a truth table, no need to mark again 0, 0, 0. By using truth table, we can have that. Okay, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, here 1. Second min term 0, 1, 1. If we mark here, same thing we are marking. Okay, right, 0, 0, 1 here. Okay, 0, 0, 1. Then next min term here 1, 0, 0. Okay, 1, 0, 0. That means here 1. Next min term 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. Okay, next min term 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. Is it okay, Ilma, Duria?
Yes.
Marking
Yes, sir.
ones, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Then we are going to group it, right? We can group like this. The basic rule is minimum number of groups, maximum number of ones in a single group. Okay, so here 4 ones, we can make it a group like this because Kana maps are wrapped around. So one group, 4 ones are there. And for this one, we can group like this. That's all. So 2 groups, one group, 4 ones are there. Other group, 2 ones are there. Right? Now I am going to simplify this group and I have to consider this group. So now concentrate. I'm going to consider this group. So in a group, we have to find out what are the variables will not change. If a variable, value of a variable is changed, we can skip it. If a value of a variable will not change within a group, we have to take that variable into our expression. Right? So here 1, 1, I'm considering a, b. 1, 1, a is 1, b is 1. Here a is 1. In this point also a is 1. That means the value of a is not changing. But b, here 1, here it is 0. That means we can skip b and we have to take a because 1 is there. If there are 0, we have to take a bar. Here 1, within this group, the value of a is 1. So we have to take a. If we consider C, within this group, value of C is always 0. So we have to take C bar. Okay, we have to take C bar. Here we are taking, that means we are simplifying SOP expression. So A dot C bar, even we can, that it is not compulsory to put dot A C bar because multiplication is there within these two variables, right? I'm considering this group, that means 4 ones are there. I'm considering that group. So we'll see value of A here 0, here 1. Value of B here 0, here 0. So value of A is changed within this group. So we can skip it. Value of B here 0, here also 0. That means it is not changing. So we can write B bar. Value of C here 0 within this group. Here 0, here 1. It is changing, so no need to get that. So we can write the simplified SOP expression like this. Y equal AC bar plus B bar. Hope it's clear. Ilma, Duriya?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Because Asma and Shafia got the correct answers. So hope it's clear. So likewise, we can simplify an SOP expression using a Karnaugh map. Right, now I comes to POS expression. So I'm going to draw a Karnaugh map here. So we need 8 cells. A, B, C, those are the variables. Even you can write A, B, C, it is also correct, but use one method. That means regularly use one method. Don't change it. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0, 1. In SOP expression, we marked ones in the Karnaugh map. In POS expression, we are marking zeros on the Karnaugh map. Okay, right. So even I can go to truth table here. So A plus B bar plus C. So here A plus B bar plus C, first max term. So here 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0 means here, sorry, here 0. 0, 1, 0. We have to mark 0 there. Then second max term, if truth table is there, by using truth table we can have. If not, we have to mark zeros and ones here. Okay, for example, A means 0, direct variable, it's 0, complemented variable, it's 1. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So even by using this truth table, we can have that. Okay, right. I'll comes to here 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That means 0 here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 means 0 here. That's all. Now we are going to group these zeros. Can group like this. These 2 zeros, one group. These 2 zeros, one group. Is it clear? Until this, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Then we'll simplify POS expression using these groups, right? Have to consider this group and this group. Yeah, it's better to put like this. First of all, we'll consider this group. Okay. So here, the value of A 0, here it is 1. Within this group, value of A is changing. So we can skip it. Value of B, here 1, here also 1. So 1 means B bar. Okay, because this POS expression. Okay, 1 means B bar. C equals to 1. Within this group, value of C is not changing. So therefore, plus C bar. Within this group, value of C is not changing. It is always 1. So therefore, we have to take plus C bar. I'll consider this group. Okay, right. We'll see. Here, value of C is changing, 0, 1. Within this group, value of C is changing. So we can skip it. So value of A and B will not change, same. Within this group, always A is 0, B is 1. A is 0 means A. B is 1 means B bar. That's all. Then we can write the simplified POS expression like this: A plus B bar into B bar plus C bar. Okay, students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So hope you can answer. That means get a standard SOP expression and standard POS expression, and you can simplify it using these kind of Karnaugh maps. Actually, it is easy, but in exam, if they mentioned use Boolean algebra laws, nothing to do. you have to use Boolean algebra laws, and you can check it using a Kana map whether you got the simplified Boolean expression or not. For example, if they given this, they have given this SOP expression, and in the question they told you to simplify this using Boolean algebra laws. You can use Boolean algebra laws and simplify it. Finally, you can check it using a Kana map whether my answer is correct or not. Likewise, you can check. Okay, right. So that's good enough about Kana maps, truth tables, and SOP expression, POS expression, simplified version, all these. Right, now we are going to move another new, actually special logic circuits. So some MCQ questions may ask in this part, so we have to learn that part, right? Okay, I expect all of your participation in online class. That means on at the same time while I'm teaching. That means if there's a power cut or big network issue, then it's okay, go through the video, but it's better to join the online class directly. Then only you can clarify, you can clear your answers. That means you can have a clear idea. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask, right? L comes to special logic circuits. I'll give one or two questions related to this as homework, then you can answer it. Actually, this is like that means the last one we have done, it's like a complete second part question. Okay, even you have finally you have to draw the logic circuit and you have to convert it into universal gates. I didn't give that part because already we have done more and more questions related to that. Right. Okay, students. So now we are going to see building blocks of CPU. While we consider the CPU, central processing unit, so there are some building blocks to do mathematical calculations. To perform mathematical calculations, some building blocks are used. Actually, we can consider half adder to add 2 bits, 2 single bits. To add 2 single bits, half adder is used. And to add sequence of 2 single bits, full adder is used. So we have to learn what is the structure of an half adder, a half adder, and what is the structure of a full adder, right? Okay, so half adder is an arithmetic logic circuit, is designed to add 2 single bit numbers. For example, 10 or 01 or 11, those are the 2 single bit numbers. So to add 2 single bit numbers in CPU, half adder is used. Okay, so if we consider a half adder, 2 inputs are there and 2 outputs are there. So we can have a diagram, and finally we have to draw a circuit related to half adder. Right, I'm going to whiteboard, students. Don't forget the things we already learned. Actually, those things, that means that POS expression, SOP expression, those things comes in second part. Second part, essay, most probably in essay. So you have to you are getting those kind of questions.